Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create sub-collections in Shopify. What is sub-collection? Sub-collections are a great way to organize your products into categories within categories, making it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for. Let's jump right in. First, let's quickly explain what subcollections are. Subcollections are essentially nested collections that allow you to organize products under a main category. For example, if you have a clothing collection, you could create subcollections like men clothing and women clothing within it. This helps keep your store organized and makes it easier for customers to navigate your products. Before we can create sub-collection, you will need to set up a main collection. To do this, go to Shopify admin dashboard and on the left-hand menu, click on products, then collections. Then click create collection. Give your collection a name like clothing. You can add a description if you want and choose whether to manually or automatically select the products for this collection. For example, let's choose manual selection. You can add products to the collection later. Now let's create our sub collection. Go back to collections. And click create collection again. This time let's call it men's clothing. Or whatever category fits your store. The important thing, the important thing here is that each sub-collection should be related to the main collection. For example, we'll making sub-collections like men collection clothing, women clothing, and perhaps kids clothing under the clothing collection. Now assign products to the sub-collection. Once you have created the sub-collection, you will want to assign product to them. Go to the sub-collection you just created and under the product section, click browse or search for product. Select the products that should be listed in this sub-collection and click add. Make sure to save your changes. Once you are done, you can add any product to multiple collections if needed. Now let's make sure your collections are visible on your store. Then click save. Go to online store from the left sidebar. Then here you can see navigation. If you are a pro user, here you can manage your menus. For example, you can add the main collection and its sub collections to your main menu. Click Add menu item, enter the collection name like clothing, and then link it to the main collection. Next, sub collection. Next to the sub collections by linking them under the clothing category. This way, when customers hover over clothing, they will see a drop-down menu with men's collection, clothing, women clothing, and other sub-collections. You can further customize how collections are displayed on your store. Head to online store, then theme, and click customize. Here you can adjust the layout of your collection. For example, you can choose how many products appear in each row or customize the appearance of the collection page. You can also enable or disable filters like product type, price range, and size to help customers find products faster. Now, once everything is set up, it's time to preview your store. Go to your store's font end and check out the clothing collection. When you have hover over it, you should see the sub collections like men's clothing and women clothings in the drop down. Click on them to make sure the correct products are showing up. Test the user experience to ensure everything is organized the way you want. And that's it. You have now successfully created sub collections in Shopify. It's a great way to keep your store organized and make it easier for customers to find exactly what they are looking for. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Then leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.